Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be making 4 cards from the same sketch. I'm going to switch up the sketch just a little bit, but you'll see that during this video. I'm using stamps from My Favorite Things, and I'm using a pack of Doodlebug at the Zoo collection 6x6. I've pre-cut all of my cardstock and pattern paper for the actual sketch. The list of materials will be down below in the description box. And let's get started. Hi again everyone. I am going to play some music for you while I color this precious image from My Favorite Things. I hope that you will enjoy this part. I will join you again at the end where I show you how to make the folio that I'm going to be putting these cards in. Since the last video I tried to post of that did not turn out very well, I hope you'll enjoy this. Take care. I'll see you in a little bit. Folks, since the video showing you how to fold this folio did not come out in my last video, I thought I'd show you how to do this a little bit better. So just going to put this template on top of your cardstock, which is folded in half. It's just folded at the 5 and this is a part that did not publish very well, so let's see how it goes this time. So we're going to put this in our paper trimmer at the 3/4 of a mark. Going through a lot of cardstock, you have to push really hard to go through it. And we're going to turn it and do that same measurement again, 3/4 of an inch, and score it. Now we're going to turn it, and this score mark for the bottom actually measures 1 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to line this up at the 1 3/4 inch and score it. Once again, you're going through a lot of layers of cardstock, and you can tell right here that I actually didn't cut it straight, but we'll fix that in just a second. It will look nicer and fold flatter if you do it while the cardstock is still folded. I will leave a link down below for the template. This was used by permission. I have written permission to use this and publish it. Now I'm going to open this up and fold on my score lines. Okay. You'll need a tape runner for this part. And if you want, if you think that this little part right here is going to be too bulky when you fold it closed, I like to just take my scissors and make just a little V from there to there and then here to here. Just like that. It'll just fold a little flatter if we do this. I'm going to take a quick measurement and layer some paper for the inside of these pockets now. It'll be easier to do it than when it's closed, and this measures in at 6 by 4, I bet. 6 by 4 3/4. And what papers do we want to use? There's so many cute choices of Doodlebug. So this needs to measure in at about 5 3/4 by 4 1/2. Let's see if that's going to be a good measurement for us. And then in just a second. It looks like it's going to be perfect. 5 3/4 by 4 1/2 again. I turn that so I can cut away that the edge where the adhesive is sitting. You could even just use regular cardstock to do this with, but I like it to be a little bit. Okay, now that I've gotten the tape off where it shouldn't have been, I just used my undo from my collection. Now I'm going to put some tape on these two tabs and fold it up. And if you made a mistake cutting, this is where you can fix it. I'm actually going to just go in like that to that corner. The same thing over here. Taking out the bulk, it'll fold flatter. Okay, now you're going to close the folio and you can decorate the front cover. I really like this paper, and it's going to be measuring the same as the inside. So it's going to measure 5 and... Okay, let's finish decorating this, shall we? Here's another look at the 4 cards that I made for the folio. There's this one. Alright, now that the folio is finished and I've shown you the cards, you can put all of them in here. It probably wouldn't hurt anything, but these are kind of thick. So what I'm going to do is put 2 cards, and here are the envelopes, too sweet, on one side, and 2 cards and 2 envelopes on the other. Now, I just want to say, I obviously have my hand in ink, and I'm going to just try to erase that. If I can't, then I will cover it with some more scrapbooking paper of some kind, but here is the project complete. I hope that you guys will give this a try. If you'd like to, subscribe to my channel, share my videos on your social media, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.